What's up, guys? Barcase94. I've got redpolls. This is extremely rare. It's unbelievable because this is very rare. This rarely happens because of cats. Because of cats eating, but if you think Dumas eats birds, that's incorrect. He eats cat food. He eats cat food, not birds. Yeah. Yeah, these are redpolls. So I haven't made a bird tales episode in a long time because I didn't have anything to look at. Like, if I had bird cams, like live streaming bird cams, you guys can go see the bird cams, but it's not possible. And also, drones scare birds, so that's the reason why I'm not making drone tales videos. Yeah. But bird tales is back for some more bird tail stuff in the bird airport. So, yeah. Well, this is a rare sight. But so yeah, guys, well, that's all for this video. Just like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and bye, guys.